welcome to part 2 of this video. If you haven't seen part 1 of me learning how to drive stick, make sure to check it out. We'll have the link somewhere on the screen and also in the description box.
Yeah, Cindy did an amazing job. She learned pretty quickly, but now it's my turn, and I'm gonna beat her.
We'll see about that. All right, so it's Khang's turn now. You ready?
Nope.
Okay, so how does the clutch feel when you're pushing in on it? Like, are you able to go in all the way and release?
Oh shit, that goes deep. Yeah, okay. Get to move.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, so for me, anyway, when I'm driving clutch, I never really pivot off my heel. Some people do.
Right.
I use my whole leg. Okay, so what do you do when you gotta start the car? How do you start the car in the manual?
You're supposed to teach me, right?
Make sure this is in neutral, so wiggle back and forth.
This is neutral, right?
Yeah, that's neutral. That's how you ensure it's in neutral. It shouldn't be able to move, right?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You won't be getting into those gears, don't worry.
6, right?
Okay, so keep it in neutral right now. Gear selector's in neutral. Yep, okay. Foot on the clutch all the way, push to start. We're gonna practice launching.
Right.
So I want you to grab the gear selector, put it into first. Are you sure that's first?
Am I sure? Nope. There you go.
Okay. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna ease off the clutch ever so lightly.
First stall.
That was so quick. Okay, this is gonna be a long day.
Okay. Your foot's not on the brake or anything, right?
Oh shit.
That's why it's stalled out.
Ah.
You could probably fully release now and it won't stall out because the car's moving. Just get used to rolling around in first. Okay, so we're gonna circle back to Chris and I want you to stop to a complete stop at where Chris is at. Oh, nice recovery. Good. I want you to launch again. There you go. Wow. Okay, let's go around another loop. This time we'll go right.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is that stall?
What happened? Is your foot on the brake too?
No.
No? Okay.
So wait, what happened there?
I think you just let off too abruptly. You're getting too ahead of yourself. Sorry. It's okay. You're gassing before the clutch is depressed again. I can hear it. Yeah. Ease off.
Stall 3. Ah!
Oh, put in first.
Whoa. 4.
It's okay. He's on an incline, so it's a little harder. It's a very soft one. Put it in first gear, ease off, super slow. If you feel like it's gonna stall out, just slam your foot into the clutch so it doesn't. So you get the hang of this.
This takes repetition.
Clutch in, third. Release. Nice. You see how it like jerks a little bit?
And release fast enough.
Yeah, exactly. It's because you're not there yet. It's just repetition, right? But eventually that'll smooth out. It's okay, you're in second right now. That's fine. Gas out. You kind of just downshifted without me telling you, so that tells me that you're kind of getting used to it.
Camera sets.
Yes.
Alright, so you want me to neutral in front, Chris? Or park in front, Chris?
How comfortable do you feel right now with the whole launching?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lie. You're a good teacher, but a little scary.
I'm a little scary?
Yeah, bro, so scary.
How am I scary?
I feel like I'm gonna get yelled at too. Right.
I don't know. Okay. You want to keep practicing your launches or what?
Yeah, launches is good. So until I feel confident enough.
Okay.
But how would you rate my launch right now?
It's good for a novice.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, like you never. Well, did you stall it out from launching? Maybe like a couple times.
I think because we're on the downhill.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. Just go do your laps and then bring it up to like third gear at least. I'm not gonna tell you what to do at all. Okay?
That's good.
Oh, you saved it? Okay, good. You're okay.
Okay. Like you said, clamp down when.
Does that count as a stall?
No, he saved it.
Yeah.
It was a very rough launch, but he made it. Anytime you feel it lugging like that, just do exactly what you did. Always. That'll save you. That'll save it, right? Too soon.
Oh. Okay. I understand what you mean by launching. It's really the hardest part.
It's understanding how the car responds to the clutch. I know that's obvious, but yeah. Okay. Plastic soon time.
You brake so hard, King.
Oh, I'm not using this brake.
Yo, you think you're Dale Earnhardt, yo? Let's go. Let's bring this thing up to speed. No, I'm joking.
I like how you signal every time that you turn.
Safe driver.
Safe drive. Let's see if you can reverse park this car.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, so for this, it's put your foot on the clutch for me. You gotta push in for this. So to get to the reverse,
Right.
it's push in and then up.
Okay.
Okay.
So push in, then up.
All the way to the left and then up.
Alright.
So same idea as launching. You're just doing it in reverse now. So reverse is like first gear except going backwards.
Where's the get back camera?
There is none. Oh wait, it is. It's just really, really dim.
Wait, that's more on the way.
It's okay, man. Try to go for that one. Ooh, a little crooked.
Oh, crooked. Super crooked.
It's okay. How did you park in your Jeep, yo?
Manually.
Well then, that's what you gotta do.
Oh, no. Yo, this is so much thinking with manual.
No, it's not. It's not. It is in the beginning. Stalled out. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, man.
I know you want it to go. I know you want it to just go, but you really can't. You gotta give it a chance for it to catch up to you. You wanna try reverse parking next to Chris?
No, beside him is good.
Damn, not bad. Okay, e-brake up.
Break up. To memorize this. Sweating.
Nice.
Let's have lunch. I'm hungry
Wanna
too.
have lunch?
Yeah.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it funny.
If you did, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. You find our other social media platform down there.
Bye. Do you want to be the one that almost falls asleep?
I think both of us can. Yeah.
You keep looking at the camera.
Oh,
Super excited.
You guys gonna learn today.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm hungry as hell.
I'm Khang. And to
And sorry.
Big shout out to Newts for letting us borrow the Mazda 3 for this video. We can't thank you enough.
Good luck, you guys.
Hey.
Almost peed my pants. She stalled.
yeah, hey, we're counting this, right?
No, we're not. It's not on camera, so it doesn't count.
It is on camera.
Brake all the way, all the way.
Please, man.
Hey, it'll make for good B-roll.
Yeah.
No, you know there's more gears than just one, right?
Yeah, bro, but I like staying alive, bro.
What's going on, Ken? Why are we still waiting? This is where you insert the 5 hours later.
5 hours later.
Alright, we're back, guys. It's been 5 days. Or not.
Oh, that was scary. Can't believe it's all 10-second in.
Alright. Peace out, guys. Go to sleep.